soft cubes of roasted potatoes are infused with carom seeds, tossed in a spicy mix of crunchy sweet corn, juicy peppers and cilantro, all doused in tamarind chutney. It's spicy, sweet, tangy, and an awesome, easy, healthy recipe to add to your meal plan. Hi folks, Shahzadi here. Welcome back to my channel, Desi Licious Den, Dietitian on Demand, where I share diet and wellness advice that cuts through the nutritional noise and serve up healthy, Desi licious recipes so you can be on top of your game. Here you'll access free recipe, nutrition and wellness videos to inspire health whenever, wherever. I hope that all of you are keeping healthy. Now, before we dive into cooking action, I've got an awesome surprise for you. Now, keep watching, and after we've made this yummy recipe, I'm going to share my special gift to you. So today, I'm going to show you how to make my easy and healthy chaat salad recipe with corn. It's a vibrant, Desi-licious dish bursting with nourishing ingredients and all sorts of textures. It's a typical and most loved South Asian street food recipe. It can be served as an appetizer or main course, and I've created a vegan version using a selection of humble pantry ingredients and fresh produce. Okay, so let's start by preheating the oven at 420 degrees Fahrenheit. Wash the potatoes thoroughly. I like to use my scrubbing brush for this. Give the pepper, chilies and cilantro a good wash as well. Peel and dice the potatoes into cubes. I keep them small so they're mouth-friendly and cook fast. In a non-stick pan, add a dash of extra virgin olive oil along with the carom seeds. Add the potatoes and season with salt. Give them a good stir and fry on medium-high heat until they're lightly golden, and then just bung them in the oven to finish cooking through. Let's prepare the tamarind chutney. Dissolve tamarind paste in water to achieve a thick consistency. You can play around and make it thicker or thinner by adding more or less water. Now, I don't add any sugar to my chutney and keep it super simple. I think the sweetness is perfect with all our wholesome ingredients. Dice the pepper into small cubes. I've used jalapeno chili peppers to give this recipe a real oomph. Again, you can add more if you like it hot or leave it out. I adore cilantro and never miss an opportunity to throw a bunch in. The fresher the better, because the aroma and flavor is simply irresistible. Right about now, the potatoes should be done, so let's assemble. Add peppers, corn, chilies, cilantro and finish with chutney. Okay folks, I'm super excited to share a special gift with you. Now if you're looking to eat healthy but have literally no time, grab my ultimate Sunday meal prep guide. Prepare 5 days of tasty and healthy meals and snacks in roughly 2 hours. No joke, it can be done, and I've got the goods to help you feel your best. Grab the free meal plan, and I've left the link for you in the description box. You can also get instant access by visiting my website shahzadidevji.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or leave me a comment. I'd love to know what nutrition and diet related topics you want me to dive into next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Now if you want to be a super subscriber, turn on that notification bell so you never miss another video.